With Italy's economy on the brink of collapse as the coronavirus starts to show signs of a decrease in the infection rate, the country's economic recovery appears to be a non-starter. Once again, help from the EU is not forthcoming without strings being attached, as you will soon find out why. First, though, please subscribe to the Expat Essentials for Italy YouTube channel, and then click the bell icon to avoid missing out on important news and further videos on life in Italy. And feel free to share the video and link, too. Plus, if you watch the video to the very end, you'll be able to gain access to a special bonus to help you create videos like this, and make La Dolce Vita even sweeter. Italy's Prime Minister, Giuseppe Conte, is deliberating over an EU rescue package to help the Italian economy as a consequence of the coronavirus crisis, as it's likely to have restrictive conditions installed by the EU. The financial package is about 420 billion euros. Most businesses in Italy shut down over a month ago, to help stop the spread of the virus, which has now claimed over 21,000 lives. The latest forecast from the IMF, International Monetary Fund, is for the Italian economy to shrink by over 9%. The 420 billion euros package, if accepted by Italy, is still way short of the required 740 billion euros the Italian government have pledged to help businesses in Italy. And if the delay in getting these funds is not making business owners and their workers very irritated, consider these two factors to take account of. 1. The funds have to be channeled to the businesses through the banks, and we all know how long it takes to get the simplest of loans, let alone one with conditions that effectively pass most, if not all, of the risk onto the business owners, and 2. With the banks working at a reduced staffing capacity, either because they've taken the opportunity to make staff redundant or reduced their working hours, then even if the normal process of getting a loan takes weeks, now it will likely take twice as long, if not longer. This will be far too late to save many businesses from going under. Add in Italy's notorious bureaucracy, and you have a recipe for a gigantic economic disaster, the consequences of which have never been experienced or seen before. So, not only have Italy been denied medical, operational and financial help when they first raised the alarm with the EU at the outbreak of the virus, but now it looks like they're being pushed into a corner to accept vital funding for their collapsing economy, by being coerced into accepting terms detrimental to their long-term economic health and wealth. No wonder a recent poll suggested that 2/3 of the Italian population want Italy to leave the EU. To keep up to date with snippets of daily key news items and expat life in Italy, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to ensure you don't miss out on future updates, and watch the video to the very end where you can access more videos from the end screen on expat life in Italy. Plus, don't forget to check out the special bonus to help you create videos like this, and make La Dolce Vita even sweeter. Thanks for watching. Here are those videos coming up right now. Until next time, ciao for now.